A History of the Constitution of Bangladesh, a Routledge publication. Launched in October 2023 at the School of Oriental and African Studies, University of London. SOAS is home to leading research and expertise on the global issues of today. Marking the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's constitution, this book gauges its development over the years from 1972 to 2022, focusing on its foundational goals, performances, and current challenges. The collection, presenting diverse but issue-specific chapters, shows how the people, political parties, leaders, and constitutional and legal institutions interact with each other in advancing, breaking, and remaking their constitution. It examines the local context, parliamentary history, and interpretive tools adopted by the Supreme Court in understanding the Constitution, as well as the future prospect of constitutional politics and practice. The work brings together legal professionals and constitutional law scholars to encapsulate the panorama of the country's constitutional evolution. We took the opportunity to speak to one of the major contributors to this book during his visit to London. The Honourable Justice Saeed REFAAT Ahmed is a long-serving judge of the Supreme Court of Bangladesh. Since his elevation to the bench in April 2003, Justice Ahmed has adjudged an extensive range of cases, of which the more significant judgments are in the fields of constitutional law, death penalty, criminal appeals, admiralty, arbitration, corporate, labour, employment, trademark, customs, and taxation laws. Justice Ahmed has authored a number of previous publications and is a renowned public figure in Bangladesh. He shares some of the context to his contribution: constitutionalism, rule of law, and judicial review, focusing on the rule of law within the constitutional scheme, a judicial perspective.
I think this book is important not only because it was published to note the 50th anniversary of the Constitution in Bangladesh, but also to do a little bit more than offer a historical perspective. I think, like the best historical work, it also helps us lay a foundation for future thinking and future practice.
The fundamental question, I think, is how well the Constitution, lawmaking processes, the electoral processes can keep pace with the demands of a modern electorate and emerging democracy, and also a fastly developing economy.